Hey y'all, it's me, Mika aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Rosewe haul. Rosewe, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But anyways, they sent me over some items, so I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on the products. Shipping was quite fast on the items. I think I got them maybe 2-3 days later, so that's always good. And I got like a few different pieces, so I'm just going to try them on. Let me guys know what you think about them below in the comment section. As always, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and also thumbs this video up if you like hauls. Okay, so this is the first item. It is a hoodie that is really different. It has a zip on the side instead of directly in the middle, which is kind of nice. And then I also feel like it kind of gives you that illusion of curves here as it flares out only on the sides, and that's it. It's actually like a heather gray color, which is nice. I don't really have anything this dark heather gray, so it's cool to switch up your grays. And it's got the black detailing, the silver zip, and of course the flowy sides. Also, if you want something that's going to cover you a little bit in the back, it definitely does a good idea. It definitely does a good job of hiding that. It has these holes in the arm, which, you know, I love to have my arms covered, so this is really cool how this fits. It is more of a kind of like an oversized fit, I guess. What do you guys think? It's different. I don't really see much like this, but it's perfect for like this winter time when you want something cute, but that's different. Oh, also it has a hood. I should have mentioned that from the beginning. So yeah, it has a hoodie. It has a really nice hoodie actually. It's really soft material. What y'all think? I love this. This is so different. I like it. Okay, so next we have this round neck, kind of belted peplum top. Is it peplum or pelham? I think it's peplum. Anyways, it fits really nice. It's really structured. It's got kind of like the lines here, and it's also fitted here as well. The belt does. You don't have to have the belt with it if you don't want it. I think it kind of gives it a different flair. I feel like this is really like work appropriate. To be honest, I don't know how I feel about all the frills at the bottom, but that's just me. If you like that kind of thing, I guess it goes with it being the peplum, because if you didn't have that, it kind of wouldn't be how cute it is, I guess. This is a definite top you could wear this holiday season, going to your Christmas dinners or Christmas parties or whatever you would like. I can imagine putting this on with like some nice jewelry, nice little skirt, black skirt. I should have put it on with a skirt, but I think that is cute. What do y'all think? Okay, so next we have this long slit sleeve pants and top. It's got a slit down the side. This is actually really comfy. I think I would wear this more as like pajamas. I don't know if I'd really wear it out and about, but I think this is so comfy. Sitting by the fire with your hot chocolate or your tea or your coffee or whatever it is that you use to refresh yourself. I love that it's ribbed. It's got a V-neck. The slits on the side really kind of just make it. It's just super comfy and soft. Christmas morning vibes? I think this is Christmas morning vibes. What y'all think? Okay, so next is this checked, I guess, type print. It's got your reds, your greens, your purples, your oranges, the whites. It's got everything that you could think of. This dress is like that really soft kind of material, but it's got like loads of stretch, which is good. It has this slit on the side, which I think really makes it. It also has a zipper, which I didn't notice. Instead of putting it over my head, I probably could have just like zipped it up. But it is so cute. It's got ruching. It's got ruching detail along the side, and that's a nice little added feature. This fits really nice. I like the V-neck that's on it. I like everything about it. Now, I wouldn't have normally chosen these colors as a pattern together, but somehow it works with this. I don't know. I'm just giving me lumberjack, houndstooth, whatever other kind of patterns there are out there. All that good stuff. That's what this is making me feel like. And the last piece I have on is this denim skirt. I messed up. I should have really looked at the size chart because it is super big. I get the idea. Follow me for a second. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Anyways, this denim skirt has such a cute slit on the side and the button details. If this fit, like, can I do it up? Like, if this fit, everything, like everything. Anyways, that is it for my Rosewe haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to thumbs this video up if you liked it. Always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.
Todd, can you play that again?